if not more.
Nicholas looks so disgusting right now, but we're gonna fix that in the best possible way. Ina, I know what you're thinking,
has
Ina,
he been
but you
feeling
won't
sick,
say it because
Ina?
you're too polite.
No?
This is a coronavirus special. Only $50.
Only $50. Do you take credit?
We have some thinning hair here.
Yeah, you'll want to leave some of that around. Oh, that's why I wore this Marquette jacket, because I don't care about it. Oh, I should zip it up though.
Wow, Nicholas.
It's done.
Well, it's done. Okay, now you can go. You're gonna be the talk of the office, which right now consists of
Me.
you.
me alone.
Oh, it's looking good. Nicholas, I'm gonna try something on you I've always wanted to try on myself.
Oh, I can't wait.
I'm gonna give you a fade.
Yes, please. This will be the best haircut I've ever had.
Screw Chad at Great Clips, Nicholas.
I haven't seen Chad in a long time. I go to an Asian lady now. I also get a brain workout too. I guess they didn't say anything about you putting your hands to other people's faces. You just can't put your own hands on your own face.
Looking real good, Nicholas.
Can be for my good side.
This is definitely above Great Clips quality. Way above Sport Clips.
Almost Chris J. Salon quality.
Chris J. Salon doesn't know who the real Chris J. Salon is. I recommend.
Do you use that for sawdust?
I recommend every morning that you brush your hair with a nice shop brush. It will really give you volume.
That's a sawdust specific brush, or is...
Yeah, looking good. There you have
I
it.
feel pretty good. I feel like I'm healed.
It's not what's on the outside, Nicholas. It's what's on the inside. Coronavirus special. Get yours today. Look like this.
2 for $9.99.
And as always, the client cleans up their own hair.
What's that here? I'm gonna run so good. I'm gonna run so fast now.
Hey, Nicholas, and the client cleans up all this too.